Welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to log into Bank of America employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with. And on the search URL, type in Employee Login Bank of America. Now once you get to these multiple search results, from there click on this second link on your interface that is sign on. That will directly take you to this employee account login page. First of all, enter your standard ID, that is your employee ID. So make sure you enter your valid ID and under that enter your correct password. Now if you want to save your login details on your device, click on this checkbox that says remember device. Now in case you forgot your password and if you want to reset, click on this link provided that is reset password and that will help you out to recover your password. Now if you are done typing in your ID and your password, click on this sign on button and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your employee account. And that's how you can log into Bank of America employee account. If this video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you in next video.